guys were renting out?
Yeah, we had a nice house.
Like, did you have to disclose that you had a camera?
I didn't, you know, my girlfriend was in charge of that, so I didn't do that.
You would think, like, they would have to disclose there is a camera here, just so you know.
What the f is going on here?
Video protected.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm sorry, I didn't even see it. Fucking. You alright? Yeah, it's alright.
Didn't you give Crystal a $10 computer book?
If I did, no.
Oh my god.
I thought you meant like a Chromebook or something. I know that she was said to have taken one, and I'm happy that she did. It was
And classic rewind record, but back towards the beginning of the year, they released the remastered Aukey Baby, and it has been remastered.
the right lane to turn onto Fox Creek Drive, then turn left onto Springview Road.
Stupid!
His voice goes, okay. So let him in. And the guard kind of steps aside and gestures to both of you to enter the chamber.
Dude, are you
First, or you wanna
I walk into the room.
circuit?
You step inside. It's this beautiful oval-shaped den or a study. There are some shelves with books around it. You can see there are other shelves that have numerous glass containers that are connected to other tubes and other glass containers and coils of various brass-colored metals and small burners. And you can see there is a large circle on the opposite end that is drawn on the floor that has different gems on pedestals. A large circle on the opposite end that is drawn on the floor that has different gems on pedestals, different heights around it. You can see little pieces of paper, like
That's not how the road works, bro.
Well, the Horkas in Charleston.
The rain has been pretty much unrelenting. We've been out in it since early this morning, and there hasn't really been a break. It's been steady. There have been gusty downpours.
Meantime, George is experiencing catastrophic floods, which have shut down
radiologist in this country ever again because AI can read all the medical records. Guess what? The evidence is in 10 years later. Radiologists have embraced artificial intelligence, and there are more radiologist jobs now than there were before, but they change. They're different.
Oh, you idiots. What are
I've got a video recording of what that car just did. Would you like me to make contact with you and you make a police report? What I'll do, I'll pull ahead in front of this motorbike.